TheThaiLanguage.com. I'm Dan Harville. How to say they in Thai. Cow is a rising tone.
เขา
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 เขากลับไปเยี่ยมบ้านเหรอ
เขากลับไปเยี่ยมบ้านเหรอ
Cow means he, she, him, her, them, they. Cow also means hill or mountain, and you will hear that because they have mountain people up just north of Chiang Mai. You've heard of them. If not, you've certainly seen pictures of them. The mountain people, some of them have stretched necks, some of the women, and they've built a name for themselves in the Golden Triangle for farming poppy flowers and all that goes along with that. The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com.